HwaFong Steel Forging Works Company Limited was established in 1974, being one of the most important steel forging factories in Taiwan, led by the CEO, Wang Shenrong. The company manufactures automobile parts, military components and accessories, etc., with closed die forging. The company relies on the efforts of all employees and the corporate ideal of better than the best. It enables HwaFong to obtain different kinds of certificates. The company is located in Xinzhuang, New Taipei City. Our sales staff meet every morning to discuss details with coworkers and confirm products developed by the factory. They communicate with clients to update them on the latest progress. Before launching into production officially, the engineering section conducts 3D printing repeatedly to inspect the products, ensuring that they meet the customer's specifications and requirements. After confirming the standard, the products will be scheduled for pre-production operations for mass production. Then, a mold will be made. The engineers will upload the finished CNC program to the computer of CNC machine to forge and mold with great precision. HwaFong Steel Forging Works Company Limited, in addition to the professional full and half automatic equipment, employs senior experts and mechanics in forging works. Their superb skills conduct the production process of molds with fantastic skills and precision, injecting emotion and sensation into the products. HwaFong Steel Forging Works Company Limited, with decades of endeavors, has manufactured outstanding and brilliant products. With diverse functions, they are applied in different aspects of everyday life. The company insists on the management ideal of innovation and R&D for HwaFong. We continue to research and develop. Moreover, with HwaFong's outstanding R&D and manufacturing capacities, we conduct business worldwide, including Japan, Europe, America, Southeast Asia, etc. To promote international competitiveness and customer service, other than optimizing the production base in Taiwan, it also expands investments in the production line of the Indonesia branch factory to upgrade its competitiveness in global supply, standardized operation, internationalized quality, and satisfied customers is our quality policy. With the team's efforts, the company has gained recognition from Euro-American countries by signing technical transfer agreements. HwaFong Steel Forging Works will continue to innovate, research, and develop its technology, meeting challenges and achieving excellent results with our partners.